YouTube? We back again with another video. Today, right now, I'm running late. The M5 about to get some downpipes. Y'all see it right here. We about to go to Queens, New York, to the stand shop. I don't know if y'all heard of them. They do work on BMWs, all types of M's, M3s, M4s, M5s. They lowered it, as y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see, but they lowered the car. Right now, I think they got the downpipes in, so I'm about to go there. I'm running late. I'll pick it up when I get there. They're going to install it, and we're going to see if there's a difference. It should be a difference, because right now, it's like straight pipe, but it's not really that loud. So when they put the downpipes in, let's see how it sounds. All right, Joe. I'm going to give y'all some POV from the inside. One thing I don't like about this new interface and this BMW, I don't know what y'all was thinking, but it's confusing. Like, let me give y'all a little pull. Hold on. See, this is how the car sound now. It's like it's trying to wake up, but it's not there. Like, it's not all the way there. So I think the downpipe should do it. I don't know what they doing. But like I said, the thing I don't like about this new interface is that it's kind of confusing. Because, like, say you trying to put the car in, I don't know all the modes of BMW, but I know it got a sport mode and all that. You click, it's a setup, it's a M mode, it's a M hybrid. Like, it's too confusing. Mercedes, like GT63, you just twist the knob. It's a comfort, individual, sport plus, comfort. That's it, race mode. It's simple, but this, you click M mode, it's a road and sport. Like, bro, what is this, bro? Who idea was this? I don't like the complication, but besides that, the interior, they really improved on the interior. I ain't gonna lie, but that's all I had to complain about, for real. And I'm gonna give y'all like some pulls. I'm gonna give y'all some footage on the road and on the highway, how it sound before, and then for me when they put the downpipes in, I'm gonna give y'all a POV of how it sound when they put the downpipes in. Yo, there's too many bumps down here, dog. Y'all hear the downshift? Oh, just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm gonna pick it up once I get on the highway. So right now I'm on the turnpike. That's a 90. Hold on, let me see. Let me drop it. I think I figured out how to do the sport mode and all that. So you got M1, M2, obviously. But when you put it in M1, the suspension. Hold on, let me show y'all. Hold on. You press M1, hold on. Now go on hybrid. You gotta press it twice. Well, you gotta press it once. Then it really go into M1. So this 70, how fast is we going? We going like 70, let me see, 70 to 100. Okay. Wow. This car, hold on. Hold on, 130. 140. Wow, yeah, I gotta slow down. I ain't gonna lie, this joint fast on the highway, but you don't feel it. Like, it's smooth. It's like a smooth fast. It's not like one of them cars where it's rough and you feel it. So I like that. I like that. I guess I don't know if that's like a new car feeling type of thing. So our fifth gear, 75. Hold on, we'll pull again. 100. Yeah. Yup. It's smooth. It's not like a scary fast. It's like real smooth. I don't know how I'm doing it. But yeah, so you probably got like when you hop on a turnpike, it's probably like a 30-minute drive. Like, no traffic, 30 minutes straight, you'll be in New York. Then that's when, you know, when y'all get to New York, you put an address in, it's an hour. Whole time it's like 5 miles. Well, not 5 miles, but like 6 miles, 7 miles. It'll say an hour. Just because, you know, the New York traffic, they always do that. But I'm gonna pick it up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pick it up when we get to the shop. is only right. But I just had to show y'all that. I had to do a couple pulls for y'all, so make sure y'all like, comment, sub. Y'all tune in. So I just got to the stand shop. It took me like an hour and some change, maybe 2 hours because of traffic, but the turnpike drive wasn't bad. I got here, I gotta wait an extra hour. They got an M3 out here, got the M5 out here, right in front of this sign and all that. And yeah, ooh, steak, carbon buckets. Y'all see it? See that? But yeah, so I spoke to the owner. Well, I don't know if he the owner, but the person that's supposed to fix it. He said I gotta wait an hour because I'm late. So about to just chill around here, wait so they put it on, and then I'm gonna show y'all the progress.
A few moments later.
Tell me when you're ready.
That's a straight pipe, just straight pipe. No mufflers, no resonators, nothing.
It's gonna sound stupid loud.
Yeah, it's gonna be crazy, I already know. But it was confusing when I was trying to like figure it out at first.
Few minutes later.
rev it again, he won't hear it. The owner won't hear it. It's just super loud. It's loud, bro. It's real loud. Yeah, it's a little too loud. Where them resonators at, bro? Alright, you might have to throw one of them phones on or something. But I gotta drive it though. It might not be as bad. The Downpipes is on here. So right now, what I feel like, what's up? I feel like it's I feel like the car is a little too loud. I gotta drive it more. But I feel like he need to throw some the resonators back on here or something. Cause it's a little too loud. Just a little bit. It's like you rev it, it's like it's like obnoxiously loud. So I'm about to go in I'm about to drive back to Philly. I gotta stop in Harlem real quick. I'm gonna do a POV for y'all and make sure y'all get that. And y'all can hear it from the inside. How it's see it's beeping. I'm gonna get inside, get the POV for y'all. Look at this, look at the interior on the nighttime, bro. Dying. The camera not really picking it up for it, but that's how it will look on the nighttime. So I'm gonna do a POV for y'all, and y'all gonna hear how it sound. About to rip through these streets. All right, y'all. Right now, it's nighttime. I'm in Harlem. We're gonna do some pulls for y'all. I'm gonna do some pulls. Get on the highway. See, I got my GPS right there. So what I noticed, it only got the burples when it's in M2 mode. Like Like when it's in M1 mode, it don't do that. I hear it. There we go. But leave it right now. I'm about to hop on the highway. Give y'all a couple burbles. Give y'all some pulls. And yeah. Y'all hear it, right? Yeah, it's a little, it's at times it got a rasp. That's how you know the car's too loud now. Like something got to get back on. He got to put the resonators on, or he got to put the mufflers on, because that rasp, you can hear it. Like at times you can hear it, not every single time, but like it's too much. It's too much. The strap tight a little bit on my head. Like I said, if you just now tuning in, downpipes, straight pipe, downpipe, because the resonators is off, mufflers is off, and the downpipes went in, so there's no restriction. It needed to be tuned though. Like I feel like the car is a little bit more responsive, but the tune got a hit. I could tell it's not tuned a little bit. I feel like when it's tuned, it's going to drive a little better, but you could tell. Ooh, speed bump. Oof. All right. My seatbelt on. Y'all see the views? I hope y'all can see. My seatbelt on. It's on. Alright. Y'all can see, like I said, it's more responsive. I feel like. Oh, hold on, you won't play. It's kind of hard driving with this joint on my head. Right on his head. Right on his. Where you going? Where you going, nigga? Hold on. Some little dip. All right, we good. The dip. Did I hear it? Why he beeping for? Y'all see the view? View crazy on the bridge. Every time, make sure I take the lower level. It's crazy. I ain't on the bridge. No. Drawn. Let me slow down. Why this Accord trying to keep up? Man, chill. I ain't gonna lie, the gas going down quick. Every time I downshift, y'all hear a pop, that's gas. Think about gas. Dying. Y'all hear that? Rasp. But I'm gonna pick it up probably when I get on the turnpike and I'm driving. I'm gonna do like a little quick 60 to like 120 or 60 to 130. Yeah, and yeah. So we're on the turnpike now. Like I was saying, when it's like in 8th gear and you feel me, you stepping on the gas, it start rasping. Real raspy. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but once you start dropping the gears, it's cool. But I'm gonna do like a 60 to 130 for y'all. Then I'm gonna wrap the video up, and then I'm gonna get gas and I'm gonna go home. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, sub, all that. More content coming soon. Too many cars in the way. I'm trying, feel me? I'm trying to get a little. I'm trying to get this joint for y'all, but it's too many cars in the way. Way too many cars. Let's see if I can get it right here. Hold on. 60. 3, 2, 1. Damn. So y'all see it. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen it. 6130. That was like, what, 5 seconds? I don't know. We need the draggy on this joint. Call Spencer up. See if you can put the draggy on this joint. We draggy the car. I forgot draggy even existed, but if y'all know, y'all know. Y'all should know if you're watching this video. But I'm gonna end the video off right here. Make sure y'all like, comment, sub. Comment down below what other rebuilds y'all want to see, what other videos y'all want to see of the M5, and yeah, catch y'all on the next one.